Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing of the Steelton Tools COB LED headlamp. So I bought this at Ollie's for $7.99 USD. This is pretty cool because sometimes when I need to be hands-free while I'm in dark places like my crawl space, then this would come in very, very useful. It has a 180-degree vertical tilt. Let's look at here. There's a DIP bright and then SMD brighter and COB brightest. So in this case is the brightest. So there's high, low, and strobe modes. It's a 2-pack in this case. And each light uses 3 AAA batteries, which it does come with. Let's look at the back here. It says here, chip on board is the latest advancement in LED technology, which offers the brightest brightest light as well as improved battery efficiency. It's weatherproof, shockproof, and impact-resistant design. Has adjustable head strap. It's best if powered by 3 AAA alkaline batteries. Heavy-duty batteries are included in here. So there's an on-off switch. It tells you here to turn to open the battery compartment. There's a visibility distance of about 10 meters. It's 200 lumens, and it lasts for about 4 hours, constant use. So we could see there, it's pretty bright. So it's nice. So that was the brightest, and then there's the strobe. So there is, again, it was the high, low, and then strobe function. So it's pretty good for the fact that you got 2 of them, and it does come with batteries. Now let's just have a look at the, let's open it up and have a look at how comfortable the head straps feel. So I like the fact that it's color green, so it stands out. Battery compartments in here, so you could open it up and then the AAA batteries go in there. Here's the vertical tilt, which is good. It's nice to have that. So if you want to have a look here, I'll be putting this on my head, and so you could see. So here, I'll just put this on my head with the elastic band. So you could have the tilt at the different angles, which is pretty neat. There's the high, the low, and the strobe. I'm pretty happy with this. It's pretty cool. So I would recommend this. Definitely I would recommend this. If you found this unboxing and review to be useful, click that like button, and if you have any comments, leave it in the comments section for us, and please remember to subscribe. So until next time, take care.